Did you know that your kidneys filter close to 50 gallons of blood every single day? These two bean-shaped organs aren't just waste filters. They regulate your blood pressure, balance minerals like sodium and potassium, activate vitamin D for bone health, and help control red blood cell production. But here's the reality. When your kidneys get damaged, it doesn't just affect one system. It impacts your entire body. Fatigue, swelling in your legs, brain fog, high blood pressure, and even an increased risk for diabetes or heart disease can all trace back to declining kidney function. Now, the good news. Research shows that you can actually protect, support, and in some cases even reverse early kidney damage naturally, simply by eating the right foods and avoiding the wrong ones. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 of the most powerful kidney healing foods, explain why they work, and share some lifestyle strategies to boost their effects. And for those of you who want a deeper dive, I've put together a comprehensive kidney health guide, available as an ebook on Amazon. The link is in the description if you'd like a step-by-step plan you can follow at home. Clearing the biggest kidney myth. Before we get into the healing foods, let's start by busting one of the biggest myths about kidney health: potassium. For years, many people have been told to avoid potassium-rich foods if they want to protect their kidneys. But here's the truth. Potassium is not your enemy. It's actually one of your kidney's best friends. Potassium lowers blood pressure, prevents kidney stones, and balances sodium levels, all of which reduce strain on your kidneys. The only time potassium restriction becomes necessary is in late-stage kidney failure, when your doctor specifically instructs you to limit it. But for the vast majority of people, eating enough potassium-rich foods is a powerful way to protect kidney function and reduce risk of future damage. What damages your kidneys in the first place? To truly understand how to reverse damage, we first need to look at what's causing it. Number 1 is excess sugar and refined carbohydrates. Every spoonful of sugar or processed carbs spikes blood sugar, which in turn damages those delicate kidney filters through a process called oxidative stress. Think of it like rust slowly eating away at metal. Next, medications and alcohol. Overuse of painkillers like ibuprofen, too much alcohol, or long-term reliance on synthetic drugs can strain and weaken the kidneys. Then we have toxins. Everyday exposures like pesticides, plastics, heavy metals, and artificial food dyes all create hidden inflammation that silently wears the kidneys down. Phosphorus from soda is another culprit. Those bubbly soft drinks may taste good, but the phosphorus content is extremely harsh on kidney tissue. And finally, too much protein. Yes, protein is essential for health, but excess amounts, especially from poor quality sources, can overload the kidneys with waste products. Understanding these culprits is the first step. Once you know what's damaging the kidneys, you can start introducing the right foods to repair and protect them. The 7 best foods to heal and reverse kidney damage. 1. Kidney healing vegetables. Certain vegetables act like natural detoxifiers for your kidneys. Asparagus contains a unique enzyme that helps flush toxins. Celery supports kidney filtration and balances fluids. Bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C, which protects against oxidative damage. Cabbage and cauliflower are rich in compounds that reduce inflammation, and garlic's allicin compound provides powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits. Together, these vegetables are nutrient-dense, low in kidney-irritating oxalates, and create the foundation of a healing diet. 2. Magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium plays a critical role in preventing the most common kidney stones, calcium oxalate stones. Foods like pumpkin seeds, avocados, and leafy greens are excellent sources. Magnesium not only prevents stones, but also helps regulate blood pressure and reduces overall inflammation in the kidneys. Many people are deficient, which is why adding magnesium-rich foods or supplements can be a game changer. 3. Probiotic foods. Fermented foods such as kefir, yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi do more than help your gut. They also protect your kidneys. Certain probiotic strains, like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, help break down uric acid and other waste products that otherwise burden the kidneys. A healthy gut microbiome reduces inflammation throughout the body, giving your kidneys a much-needed break. 4. High-quality, moderate protein. Your kidneys filter the waste left over from protein metabolism. This doesn't mean protein is bad, but balance is key. Too much protein, especially from processed or poor-quality sources, creates excess strain. Instead, choose moderate amounts of clean protein sources like wild-caught fish, sardines, pasture-raised eggs, or grass-fed meats. These also provide omega-3 fatty acids, which calm inflammation and support kidney function. 5. Antioxidant-rich fruits. Oxidative stress is like rusting from the inside, and antioxidants are the body's way of stopping that process. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are all loaded with kidney-protective antioxidants. Beets are another excellent choice, supporting circulation and detoxification. By neutralizing free radicals, these foods directly slow down kidney wear and tear. 6. Onions and quercetin. White and red onions contain quercetin, one of nature's strongest anti-inflammatory compounds. Quercetin not only reduces oxidative stress, but also helps prevent scarring inside kidney tissue. It's easy to add onions to meals. Sauté them with eggs, stir them into soups, or enjoy them raw in salads. Over time, this small habit can have a huge impact on kidney health. 7. Extra virgin olive oil. Last but not least, extra virgin olive oil. This oil is loaded with polyphenol, plant compounds with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil helps prevent kidney stones, supports overall kidney filtration, and lowers inflammation throughout the body. Always go for high-quality, cold-pressed olive oil. Italian or Greek varieties are often the most reliable. Bonus tips for kidney health. Now, food is just one part of the equation. To really give your kidneys the best chance at healing, consider these lifestyle adjustments. Swap sugary drinks for teas rich in polyphenol. Green tea, nettle tea, dandelion tea, and turmeric tea all reduce inflammation and aid kidney detox. Practice intermittent fasting. By spacing out your meals, you give your kidneys downtime to rest and repair. Fasting also lowers insulin levels, which are a hidden driver of kidney damage. Stay hydrated, but avoid overdoing it. Too little water dehydrates your kidneys. Too much water forces them to overwork. Aim for balanced, steady hydration throughout the day. Closing and call to action. So there you have it. 7 of the most powerful foods to support and even reverse kidney damage naturally. To recap, build your meals around detoxifying vegetables, magnesium-rich foods, probiotics, moderate clean proteins, antioxidant fruits, quercetin-packed onions, and extra virgin olive oil. Combine these with smart lifestyle choices like tea, fasting, and balanced hydration, and your kidneys will thank you. If you want a deeper, step-by-step guide with recipes, shopping lists, and meal plans designed specifically to protect your kidneys, check out my detailed ebook on Amazon. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Remember, your kidneys may be small, but their impact on your overall health is enormous. Give them the right tools, and they have an amazing ability to heal. Until next time, take care of your kidneys and take care of your health.